cool. Today we're going to learn how to do a cupcake using Google Draw. So the first thing, you just go to your little waffle here, 3x3 grid. You click on it. You can go to your drive. I already have it open. So I'm just going to go to my drive here. And then you're going to go here and click New. And then obviously you don't see it there, so you have to click More. Right? And then there's Google Forms and Google Drawing. Just click Google Drawing here to do the cupcake. Okay, now that you are here, you can change the title here to Cool Cupcake. That's just my personal preference. All right, and you just go to here, insert shape, and go right here. And we're gonna pick this trapezoid right here. So we're gonna go to the second row, column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right here. All right, and just do a little nice cupcake, probably like that, right? And we're just gonna rotate it 180 degrees. There. And that's your cupcake, right? And the filling is this color by default, so just change it to transparent. All right, now we're gonna draw the top of the cupcake. Let's do it, use this one here. Let's use curve. So go there, click, you just keep clicking and try to make the shape, like it goes on the top. Like that, click once, click another time. And then here, you're gonna click twice, then it lets it go. Okay, click the arrow. You can change the color here. I don't know which color you want, but I'm gonna pick, I may probably this pink right here, right? This here, you can change it a little thicker if you want, like change it to 3 if you want, or maybe 2 is good. If you want this background to be like bluish color, you just click here like that. Starting to get a shape of a cupcake. Then we can put the little cherry here on the top, right? Put the little circle here, probably like that, right? And of course I want it to be red. Some little cupcake there. Make it a little smaller if you want. There. And then we can do the little cherry sticking out. You can just do like a scribble here for that. Something like that. And then here, so I use the scribble for that. And then change the thickness maybe to 2. There. Pretty cool, right? Now we can do some little like stripes here. So we can just do shapes here and just do like little mini rectangles, right? I don't like this, so we go transparent. I'll put it right here, right? And you're gonna hold the shift key. You're gonna hold the option or alt key to create copies, right? And each copy is gonna be, the same distance apart. So like probably about there, right? You keep holding the option or alt key. There. Option or alt key, okay? So you're creating copies of the same thing. Okay, keep doing that. You hold in the option or alt key depending on which device you're using, and that's pretty much it. And then you bring this one down, expand it here all the way down, expand the other way down, expand it all the way down. I'm going to do the other ones. All right, and then I do my last one here. Okay, and then if you want to change the color of this one, for example, and change it orange, like that orange, which is pretty cool. And you can carry this format all along. So you can say, okay, I want to carry that format, put it here. I want to carry that and put it there, right? And if you want to do it to all of them, you can just do this and do this. Okay, and it's going to do it to the background too. We can put it back, right? So then you go back and say, okay, well, that's cool, but I want the background to be blue. So there it is. And that is your cupcake.